Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is Content Studio and Agorapulse. So get started with a quick overview of these two platforms. Content Studio is a robust content marketing and social media management platform designed for marketers, agency and publishers. It also offers content discovery, AI writing tools together with scheduling, analytics and collaboration features. On the other side, Agorapulse is a social media management tool tailored for teams and agencies that need strong publishing, mentoring, and in-depth reporting, plus a social inbox features for engagement and management. Now, talking about the strength and the weakness of these two platforms, I'm starting with the Content Studio, revealing the strength and the downside of this platform. So, talking about the strength of Content Studio, it has an AI content generation and a planner together with the content discovery and a curation tools. This has a workflow and the collaboration support for teams. Now, talking about the downside of Content Studio, the interface can feel cluttered for new users and also limited in social listening and compared to Agorapulse. The customer support isn't as responsive as competitors, which is as other platforms. Now, talking about the Agorapulse on the other side, revealing the strength and the weakness of the platform. So starting with the strength, it has a unified social inbox for managing replies, comments, and messages. It also has advanced reporting and a customizable metric together with a strong support and a client approval workflow. Now, talking about the downside, the pricier than some other competitors. It has a limited AI and content creation tools with a fewer third-party integration than larger platform. And here's my overall conclusion. So if you want a budget-friendly platform with a strong publishing and planning together with AI-driven content tools, go for Content Studio. On the other side, if you prioritize client collaboration, engagement tracking, and a comprehensive analytics for managing social channels at scale, just go for Agorapulse. So let me know in the comment section which of these two platforms would be a better option and a safer option for you. Thanks.